Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a modern Tussauds wax statue using PiDi AI. So, PiDi AI is an AI creative platform or AI tools that will help you to generate AI creative content like maybe product showcase, product photos, avatar videos, avatar photos, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to turn your photo into a modern Tussauds wax statue. And if you want to try this tool, you can just check the link in the description or pinned comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open PiDi AI like this, and then after that, just go to Image Studio, and then in here just tap, and then in here just choose AI designs, and then just upload your photo like this, and then after that, just type your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. Like this, you can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, you can just create it as you like. And after that, just choose your AI model. In here, I want to choose Ethereum 5 Lite, and then just customize your ratio. In here, I want to choose this one, and then just choose your resolutions, and then after that, just click submit, and then wait for the process. And okay, like this. Okay, like this, you can see it, you can adjust it. It's perfect results, like it's really like a wax statue with the incredible looks like this. And I think it's so cool. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.